this session, we are going to discuss the why. The why of purpose. You know, one of my mentors taught me several years ago that the why of a thing is more powerful than the how. When you have a strong why, you'll be empowered to find the how. The why of a thing is more powerful than the how. When you discover the why and you build a strong why, you'll be able to discover the how. So I want us to discuss the why of purpose. So why purpose? So number one, we start from the beginning. So the first reason why you must labor so much, why you must fight so much for you to discover your purpose is that God is the creator of purpose. God is a creator of purpose. And we saw in that Genesis chapter 1, verse 26, that God made us in his image and likeness. So if you are going to look like God, you are going to operate like God, you must be able to find your purpose, because God is the creator of purpose. So you can't operate or function like God except you find your purpose. You find your purpose. That's the first reason. Why? Because you are made by God, who is a creator of purpose. Everything that God does, he does it with a purpose. Everything that God does, he does it with an aim, intention, or a function in mind. So even you also, for you to be able to operate at the frequency of the God who created you, you must be able to find your purpose. That's number one. That's number one. Number one. Number two, why purpose? Why purpose? Why must you discover your purpose? I believe I hinted very brief in that video I sent out previously, that as you live on this planet, you either live to fulfill your purpose, or you exist to be a resource for someone to fulfill his purpose. I'll come again. I'm saying, as you live on this planet, you either live all your life to fulfill your purpose, which you have discovered, or you live as a resource for someone to fulfill his purpose. So it's tragic for you not to discover your purpose. Because if you don't discover your purpose, you will live all your life not as a person. You will live all your life as a resource for someone to accomplish or fulfill his purpose. That's a tragic life. So which means without the purpose, you don't live. You just exist. You just exist. So without a purpose, you will just live. You will just exist. You will not live. You only become a personality. You become a person of value when you discover your purpose, because purpose gives you value. Purpose ascribes glory and honor to your name. If you don't discover your purpose as a youth, you don't discover your purpose as an old man, you don't discover your purpose as a man or a woman, you will live all your life as a resource. But when you discover your purpose, you become resourceful. Those are two ways. When you don't discover your purpose, you become a resource. When you discover your purpose, you become resourceful. So if you want to become resourceful, you must want to discover your purpose. So that's key. So number one, discover your purpose, because God is a creator of purpose. So for you to operate like him, you must also find your purpose. Number two, for you to be able to live on this planet as a personality or as a person of value, you must discover your purpose. Because if you don't discover your purpose, you will live all your life as a resource or as an object to be used for someone to fulfill his or her purpose. That is tragic. Dr. Miles Munro said something very powerful. He said, where purpose is unknown, abuse is common. Where purpose is unknown, abuse is common. So if you don't want to be abused, discover your purpose. Number three, why purpose? Why purpose? I want to say that your true name, your value, and your honor is attached to your purpose. Your true name, your honor, and your value is attached to your purpose. I know some of us, maybe when we are born, we are given some names, which later on we have to find a name in the dictionary or in one English book or some magazine or the Bible, and we change the name. We change our name to that. I believe that doesn't change your circumstance. The best change of name you can encounter is a change to a name that is linked to your purpose. Why? Because I see two things. There is a biological name that your parents gave you, and there's a functional name that is attached to your purpose. So if you check the man Abraham in the Bible, at the age of 75, Abraham had no child. His name was Abram. So this name, Abram, is a biological name that the parents gave to him. But at some point, when he had an encounter with God, God changed this name to Abraham. So Abram was a biological name, but the name Abram is a functional name. Because in this name, God said, he shall be a father of many nations. So you see that this change of name that Abram encountered is a change from a biological name to a functional name. If you look at the name Jesus, from the word go, I believe Jesus is among the few who had a biological name and the same biological name and the same functional name. Because we are told there, prophetically, they were told that the virgin will conceive and they shall have a child, and the child will be called Jesus. Why? Because he shall save his people. So Jesus is a functional name, and of course a biological name because it was given by the parents. So what am I saying is you must discover your purpose. Why? Because the purpose will give birth to your true name. You'll be known by a true name. When you hear someone call you pastor, pastor is a functional name. It's a functional name because you are performing a function of a pastor. So if you want true honor, you want true glory, you want true joy, you must also be able to find your purpose. It's the glory of God to conceal a matter and the honor of kings to search out the matter. So you must search out the matter of purpose for you to be able to connect with your glory, to connect with your honor. So the fourth one is a humorous reason. I know your five senses that we learned from school. So I'm saying today that you need to discover your purpose. Why? Because for you to be able to live an impactful life on this planet, to your five senses, you must add three other senses. So the first sense is a sense of purpose. The second sense is a sense of mission. And the third sense is a sense of urgency. That makes it eight senses. And there are some more senses you are going to be able to discover as you go on this journey of discovery. So that's basically the what. So we have discovered the background information about purpose. We have discovered the why. We have discussed the what of purpose. And we have discussed the why of purpose, which means God is a creator of purpose. And you are a creature of purpose. You must find your purpose. Your purpose. You either live on this planet fulfilling your purpose or as a resource for somebody's purpose. So if you don't want to be a resource and be a resource person, discover your purpose. And if you want to connect with your true name, your true honor, your true glory, your true riches, connect with your purpose. Then number three, I said to your five senses, add three more senses. That's what purpose will do. The purpose will give you a sense of purpose, sense of mission, and sense of urgency. You live on this planet wanting to pursue. As you wake up every day, you won't go to sleep because you are tired, but you go to sleep because you are done with your work for the day. So Jesus made impact on the earth. Why? Because he discovered his purpose early. At the age of 12, he discovered that it must be about his father's business. So that was made him very impactful for you. Look at Joseph. At a very young age, he was able to he had a dream that he will be a king. Or if you look at David, at a young age, he also discovered a purpose. That's why those are impactful men. You can never erase their names from the history of humanity. So if you want to add your name to people and persons of impact, discover your purpose. So stay blessed and stay connected. Make sure you remain connected to this channel, because I will be coming in the next video. I want to discuss the how of purpose. How do you discover your purpose? How do you uncover your purpose? And how do you recover your purpose? So stay tuned and invite someone to watch our next podcast. Be blessed. Make sure you share this video with someone. You are blessed.